Toss-up 1. Biology. Multiple choice. Which of the following glial cell types makes up the blood-brain barrier? W. Astrocytes. 10. Oligodendrocytes. Y. Radial glia. Z. Schwann cells. Answer. W. Astrocytes. Bonus 1. Biology. Short answer. Dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine are all derivatives of what amino acid? Answer. Tyrosine. Toss-up 2. Chemistry. Short answer. Identify all of the following 3 instruments or techniques that could be used to determine the concentration of an unknown solution of acetic acid. 1. Titration. 2. Potentiostat. 3. Ion exchange column. Answer 1 and 2. Bonus 2. Chemistry. Multiple choice. For a second-order kinetic process where one molecule of A irreversibly becomes one molecule of B, which of the following plots would generate a line? W. Plotting the concentration of A versus time. 10. Plotting 1 over the concentration of A versus time. Y. Plotting the log of the concentration of A versus time. Z. Plotting the exponential of the concentration of A versus time. Answer. 10. Plotting 1 over the concentration of A versus time. Toss-up 3. Math. Short answer. What is the limit as x approaches 3 of open parenthesis x squared minus 9 close parenthesis divided by open parenthesis x to the 4th minus 81 close parenthesis? W. 1. 10, 1 over 9. Y. 1 over 18. Z. 1 over 27. Answer. Y. 1 over 18. Bonus 3. Math. Short answer. Indicate all of the following 3 possible values for c so that the equation 2x squared minus 3x plus c equals 0 has roots that are irrational, -1, -2, -3. Answer, -1 and -3. Toss-up 4. Physics. Short answer. A single semiconductor crystal that has been selectively doped with small amounts of phosphorus on one end and aluminum on the other end creates what type of connection? Answer. p-n junction. Bonus 4. Physics. Short answer. Consider a linear temperature scale, J, on which the boiling point of water is 65 degrees J and the freezing point is -15 degrees J. To what temperature in degrees Fahrenheit does a temperature of -55 degrees J correspond? Answer, -58. Toss-up, 5. Earth and space multiple choice. Much of Tibet lies in altitudes above 17,000 feet. At such altitudes, which of the following best approximates the percentage of the atmosphere below the Tibetans? W. 10%. 10. 50%. Y. 90%. Z. 99%. Answer. 10. 50%. Bonus, 5. Earth and space multiple choice. Some individual minerals in metamorphic rocks are bounded by their crystal faces. What adjective identifies this type of rock? W. Xenoblastic. 10. Idioblastic. Y. Crystalloblastic. Z. Porphyroblastic. Answer. 10. Idioblastic. Toss-up, 6. Chemistry. Multiple choice. Which of the following describes the conditions of a process that would be impossible without an energy input? W. Delta G0, delta H0, delta S0. 10. Delta G greater than 0, delta H greater than 0, delta S greater than 0. Y. Delta G less than 0, delta H less than 0, delta S less than 0. Z. Delta G greater than 0, delta H greater than 0, delta S less than 0. Answer. Z. Delta G greater than 0, delta H greater than 0, delta S less than 0. Bonus, 6. Chemistry. Multiple choice. Which of the following statements is true regarding calorimetry and heating curves? W. Bomb calorimeters directly measure the change in enthalpy of a reaction. 10. A heating curve plots pressure versus temperature and is divided into 3 regions. Y. Regions depicting a phase change are flat on a heating curve. Z. The steeper the slope of a heating curve, the higher the heat capacity of that phase. Answer. Y. Regions depicting a phase change are flat on a heating curve. Toss-up, 7. Biology. Multiple choice. Which of the following vitamins is not fat-soluble? W. Tocopherol. 10. Phylloquinone. Y. Biotin. Z. Calciferol. Answer. Y. Biotin. Bonus, 7. Biology. Multiple choice. Ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase/oxygenase, also known as RuBa-CO, is an enzyme present in photosynthetic plants and is thought to be the most abundant protein on Earth. Which of the following is not a reason that plants produce such large quantities of RuBa-CO? W. RuBa-CO is a slow-acting enzyme. 10. RuBa-CO lacks specificity for carbon. Y. RuBa-CO is inhibited by carbon dioxide. Z. Plants build large aggregate complexes of RuBa-CO. Answer. Y. Rubis is inhibited by carbon dioxide. Toss-up 8. Energy multiple choice. Graphite is a fantastic electrical conductor. What is its crystal structure? W. Tetragonal. 10. Planar. Y. Octahedral. Z. Buckyballs. Answer. 10. Planar. Bonus 8. Energy short answer. What principle of spectroscopy states that electronic transitions generally happen faster than the vibrational timescale and, by extension, that electronic transitions will only occur if the vibrational wave functions of the two states overlap significantly? Answer. Frank-Condon principle. Toss-up 9. Earth and space multiple choice. Evidence of which of the following was gathered from the compact reconnaissance imaging spectrometer for Mars and indicates possible low-grade subsurface metamorphism on Mars? W. Highly folded strata. 10. Hornfels and greenstone. Y. Magnesium-rich carbonates. Z. Alteration clays. Answer. Z. Alteration clays. Bonus 9. Earth and space multiple choice. In the early stages of formation, river valleys exhibit which of the following characteristics? W. V-shaped cross-sections. 10. Water tables. Y. Moraines. Z. U-shaped cross-sections. Answer. W. V-shaped cross-sections. Toss-up 10. Math. Short answer. What is the lateral surface area of a right circular cone with radius 5 and height 12? Answer. 65 pi. Bonus 10. Math. Short answer. In a 30-60-90 right triangle, the 60-degree angle is bisected. What is the ratio of the segments into which the bisector divides the opposite leg? Answer. 1/2. Toss-up 11. Biology. Short answer. Name the growth response to generalized mechanical disturbances in plants. Answer. Thigmomorphogenesis. Bonus 11. Biology. Short answer. In plants, what class of ground tissue is responsible for most of the plant's photosynthesis? Answer. Parenchyma. Toss-up 12. Chemistry. Multiple choice. Which of the following molecules has T-shaped molecular geometry? W. Bf3. 10. NF3. Y. CLF3. Z. SO3. Answer. Y. CLF3. Bonus 12. Chemistry. Short answer. An adsorption isotherm apparatus consists of a dosing chamber with a volume of 30 milliliters as well as a sample chamber. The two airtight chambers are initially separated by a valve and at a pressure of 0 torr. Helium gas is let into the dosing chamber until the pressure reaches 600 torr. The valve is then opened, and the helium expands into the sample chamber. Once the pressure has equilibrated between both chambers, it is measured to be 400 torr. In milliliters to two significant figures, determine the volume of the sample chamber. Answer 15. Toss-up 13. Physics. Short answer. What phenomenon, often observed when nuclear waste is stored in water, occurs when charged particles travel through a medium faster than the speed of light in that medium? Answer. Cherenkov radiation. Bonus 13. Physics. Short answer. A rocket is at rest in deep space. It suddenly experiences a linear acceleration of 50 meters per second squared for 5 seconds, coasts for 3.0 seconds, and then decelerates at 2.0 meters per second squared until coming to a halt. How far, in meters and to two significant figures, does the rocket travel during the deceleration phase of its journey? Answer: 16,000 meters. Toss-up 14. Earth and space multiple choice. Which of the following lavas does not have a modern analog? W. Komatiite. 10. Nitrocarbonatite. Y. Phonolite. Z. Bonanite. Answer. W. Komatiite. Bonus 14. Earth and space short answer. What is the hottest class of brown dwarfs? Answer. L. Toss-up 15. Biology. Multiple choice. Which of the following amniotic egg structures does not match its function? W. Amnion protects developing embryo in fluid-filled sac. 10. Yolk sac stockpiles nutrients. Y. Chorion facilitates gas exchange. Z. Allantois connects yolk to embryo. Answer. Z. Allantois connects yolk to embryo. Bonus 15. Biology. Multiple choice. Which of the following does albumin help to regulate? W. Osmotic pressure. 10. Electron transport. Y. DNA repair. Z. Heme maturation. Answer. W. Osmotic pressure. Toss-up, 16. Math. Short answer. There are 50 people in a room, 28 are male and 32 are in college. 12 are males in college. How many women who are not in college are in the room? Answer, 2. Bonus, 16. Math. Short answer. Set8 consists only of positive integers less than or equal to 100, where no two elements of the set sum to 149. What is the maximum possible number of elements in set A? Answer, 74. Toss-up, 17. Energy multiple choice. Which of the following is not a role that large-scale batteries could play in a power generation portfolio based on renewable energy sources? W. Frequency modulation. 10. Peak shaving. Y. Load leveling. Z. Voltage modulation. Answer. W. Frequency modulation. Bonus, 17. Energy short answer. What term describes quantities that are independent of a system's path, such as enthalpy and entropy? Answer. State functions. Toss-up, 18. Chemistry. Multiple choice. Drift and diffusion both describe the movement of particles. Which of the following is an example of drift? W. Random thermal motion of holes. 10. Atoms moving from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration. Y. Electrons moving to the anode. Z. Dopants moving into a semiconductor. Answer. Y. Electrons moving to the anode. Bonus, 18. Chemistry. Multiple choice. Which of the following best explains why titanium dichloride is a solid at room temperature, but titanium tetrachloride is a liquid? W. The TiCl bond in titanium tetrachloride has more covalent character. 10. The TiCl bond in titanium tetrachloride has more ionic character. Y. Titanium dichloride forms a molecular solid, whereas titanium tetrachloride does not. Z. The presence of more gaseous chlorine lowers the melting point of titanium tetrachloride. Answer. W. The TiCl bond in titanium tetrachloride has more covalent character. Toss-up, 19. Biology. Short answer. What group of orange unsaturated hydrocarbons is primarily synthesized by plants for use as photosynthetic pigments and also contains a biologically inactive form of vitamin A? Answer: carotenes. Bonus 19. Biology. Multiple choice. Which of the following is true regarding plant ground tissue? W. Parenchyma is mostly responsible for structural support. 10. Collenchyma consists of dead cells with thick cell walls. Y. Sclerenchyma is the most lignified type of ground tissue. Z. Sclerenchyma cells can adapt to stress conditions at maturity. Answer: Y. Sclerenchyma is the most lignified type of ground tissue. Toss-up 20. Physics. Short answer: identify all of the following three elements that could be used as dopants in germanium to make an N-type semiconductor. 1. Phosphorus. 2. Boron. 3. Antimony. Answer: 1 and 3. Bonus 20. Physics. Short answer: you throw a tennis ball directly downwards from the top of a building at 6 meters per second. At the same moment, your friend throws a ball directly downwards from the top of another building at 16 meters per second. Assuming the balls hit the ground with the same velocity and that g equals 10 meters per second squared, what is the difference in heights of the two buildings, in meters? Answer: 11. Toss-up 21. Energy multiple choice. Which of the following compounds acts as a catalyst in the production of biodiesel from oils? W. Vegetable oil. 10. Lye. Y. Methanol. Z. Copper. Answer: 10. Lye. Bonus 21. Energy short answer. What quantum mechanical approximation states that nuclei move much more slowly than electrons, and thus can be neglected in the molecular Hamiltonian? Answer: Born-Oppenheimer approximation. Toss-up 22. Math. Short answer: consider a genetics experiment in which you do a dihybrid cross for two genes that you believe will segregate independently. What simple statistical test would be most useful, and least complicated, for determining whether or not there is a significant difference between the observed distribution of genes and the calculated distribution of genes? Answer: chi-square test. Bonus 22. Math. Short answer: the first term in a sequence is 2014, and each successive term is the sum of the cubes of the digits of the term immediately preceding it. What is the 100th term? Answer: 370. Toss-up 23. Chemistry. Multiple choice. Identify which one of the following statements about Boltzmann distribution of energy is false. W. Degenerate states have the same energy and will be equally populated. 10. An exponential increase in population with increasing temperature is predicted. Why? More states are significantly populated if energy level spacings are near kT. Z. At T equals 0, only the lowest energy state is occupied. Answer. 10. An exponential increase in population with increasing temperature is predicted. Bonus 23. Chemistry. Short answer. 2 moles of calcium nitrate are dissolved in 1 kilogram of water. Approximating the boiling point elevation constant of water as 0.5 degrees Celsius per mole, and reporting your answer to the nearest degree Celsius, what is the boiling point at standard pressure for this solution? Answer: 103 degrees Celsius.